Yes, sir. We back. One stop drip shop, unboxing in the Bando, bringing you things I like to do. You feel me? This ain't really an unboxing, no gang. This is a motherfucking review. I already made a splash in these shits already. You know what I mean? It's a puddle somewhere out here in the city. Cause of me and these shits, the whole fit was crazy. So what we got here? What we got, man? So we got these Gallery Department, man. You feel what I'm saying? We got some Gallery Department Carpenter flare jeans. These shits is crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. These one of my favorite jeans I copped within the last couple months. I copped these shits probably like 3-4 months ago. It was in the summertime, like around July, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. I bought these shits all the way in like July. But these shits is tough, man. I ain't get a chance to do a little vid on them, man. I probably wore them like once or twice. I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. Sometimes when I like shit a lot, I don't even wear it a lot. You feel me? Then I got my favorites that I'm in my gallery army pants. I'm not even gonna hold you, man. I wore them shits probably like 50 times, bro. Like, those my quick throw it on and get to it type pants. You feel what I'm saying? But I'm gonna give you some little details on this. It's real paint on here. You feel me? It's just a dope pair of jeans, man. A really dope pair of jeans. You feel me? Thing about Gallery, they be ripping off the Carpenter shit. They do a lot of details to this shit, man. A lot of fucking details on these. I believe it's like a bleach wash too. You feel me? Just all around tough pair of jeans, man. I actually like these more than my army joints, but I just wear my army joints more. You feel me? But these is a good pair of blue jeans. I'm not gonna say, matter of fact, let me take that back. Cause I definitely love my army shits. These is a better fit though. I'll tell you that. These is a better fit. You know what I mean? Shits is tough though. They are flare at the bottom. Yeah, this it's an early morning Bando vid gang, man. I said I gotta step it up, man. I gotta bring more drip to the spot, to the shop. You feel me? For the members, for the guys. Yeah, man. I don't really know what else to tell you about these shits, man. You feel me? I don't really know what else to tell you, man. But go get these shits. They might be sold out though, bro. But Gallery, they do bring the jeans back. You feel me? They do be bringing shit back. So you might have an opportunity to still get these. You feel me? That's how you know if your galleries is real. Make sure you get all of these tags. You feel me? Make sure you get these tags, gang. Stop just buying shit from anywhere, man. I actually bought these directly from Gallery. It cost me about $900. You know, you get these for about like $900. If you could still get them, but like I said, they be bringing shit back, bro. So you might have a chance. So there we have it, man. We got the Gallery Department, flare joints, Carpenter flares. You know what I'm saying? Really, really tough. I probably gotta hit these. I should have hit these with the lint brush one time before I did the little review, but yeah, niggas know how we rockin', man. One-stop drip shop unboxing in the Bando. Get these about an 8.5, 9. I fuck with these. Yeah, really, really tough pair of jeans. I'll probably grab a couple more when they drop some good colors, different colors, you feel me? I don't know what else to tell you, man. Got the button fly. Look for your tags, gang. Look for this on the inside too. Look for your tags. It's 34 on left. You know what I'm saying? Look for your tags, bro. But one-stop drip shop, unboxing in the Bando. We out, man. Play ahead to stay ahead. You feel me? Don't go wasting all your bread on this drip too, man. Stack a little bit, gang, you heard? Money you save today gonna save you tomorrow, man. We about this shit. Oh, like them niggas be saying, like, comment, share, you know what I mean? Send a nigga some subscribe, man. Send a nigga some love, man. Virtual love, gang. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. We building an army. Soon we gonna be getting up on this shit, talking about fits. You can hit me up like, yo, FA, what you think I should rock with this, man? What you think I should splash with these? You know how I'm rocking, man. I'm give y'all niggas good advice, man. Good game, you feel me? But yeah, appreciate y'all stopping by, coming to get this news you could use. Always bringing y'all top of the line drip. No bullshit. It might be a little late, but shit about us, we always a couple months ahead. So even when we late, we right on time, man. But we about this shit, yo.